Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. On this video I'm going to show you how the solution of if you're doing import range in Google Sheets, sometimes you can't do it, you're unable to do the import range. For example, here I already have my Google Sheet here. I want to export import range using this sheet, so I put equal import range and then open the quotes and copy this URL, the sheet URL, and then go back here, paste here, and then close the quotes, open the quotes, and then put the name of sheets here. I copy it. After that, put it back again. Okay, and then put the cell address. At the first time, you will facing this ref error, so you can click the allow access. But unfortunately, there was a problem. Error linking spreadsheet. Make sure you have access the sheet you're trying to import from. This problem happens because this sheet is already linked to many of Google Sheet, many of files, so you cannot do it so much or so many linking spreadsheets. Both of them is my sheet. The owner is me. Over here, as you can see, me the owner. This sheet also me as the owner. And how to check it? First, you can do copy. To verify it, you copy the file that you cannot do the import range. Here's my file's names is stock inventory, and then I click make a copy. After that, open the copy of files you did before, and then do it again. The import range same like before, but different URL. Now already shown the ref error, so I can click allow access. Now the import range is success to import from the copied sheets to my new sheets. So it's clearly enough to verify that the old sheet that I have, this one is too many connection through this file. So I have to check it manually, because right now Google Sheet can do the check the connection between across file. For example, in SQL or in PHP, you can do it, especially in MySQL database, in website programming or website database. Okay, I hope it's useful for you. I hope it's helpful for your problem now. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.